Let me show you something. You see that machine over there digging? Digging up stuff, digging up dirt. I want you to watch this. He's digging up dirt and getting rid of the dirt and taking it to be tossed out. Here's my point. That truck is digging that dirt up to make a new foundation, to become new. And sometimes you have to go back to go forward. You have to dig up things within yourself so you could be a better person. You may have had some things go wrong in your life. You may have had some things that you didn't mean to do in your life. You may have some stuff placed there that you didn't even put in your life. But all you got to do is dig deep, get it all out, throw it away so that you could be a better person. Because your start is not your finish. And sometimes we have been given a lot of things. Things been laid there for years that we got to now dig out to put down a fresh foundation, to become a new person, to have a better lifestyle, getting rid of dirt that we put there or sometimes other people put there. But you got to dig deep, and it hurts to dig deep. The concrete had to be broken, and if you put it in a human term, sometimes you got to be broken to dig deep so that you can be the best you that you could be. You have to dig deep down and find that old stuff to get rid of so that new stuff could be built stronger, higher. You could be the best you. And with that being said, I want you to understand everybody has some dirt. Everybody got something in them that got to be dug up and put out so that they could become the best them. And with that, I'm going to say, always remember, you matter, and matter enough to yourself to dig up the old to put in the new so you could be the best you. Have a blessed day.